Hi, so welcome to this video. So this video is going to explain percentage yield. So percentage yield can be used for a variety of reasons. For me, as a medicinal chemist, I use percentage yield to work out how effective a reaction is. So I might change some parts of the reaction. So I might change the duration of the reaction, the temperature of the reaction, any sort of variables that I change, I can then work out the percentage yield for that particular reaction. So in order to work out percentage yield, you need to work out the equation, the number of moles that would be used in the equation, and work out the theoretical number of moles if 100% of your reactant converts into product. So when I'm working out the calculation, I use stoichiometry to work out this 100% conversion value. So for example, if I have hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, and I react it to make salt and water, and say the salt is what I'm going to be collecting, and I'm going to be working out whether or not this reaction has a high percentage yield. So the formula that I use is the experimental over the theoretical, and multiply that by 100 to get a percent. So for example, with this one here, if I look at this equation here, and I know how many moles I started off with my HCl, and how many moles I expect for my sodium chloride if I get 100% conversion, I can work out the grams or the moles. And this would be the value that I put in for the theoretical component. So if theoretically 100% converts over, what am I expecting to get? The experimental part is what I actually get in the lab. So I'm in the lab, I'm doing this experiment, I collect my salt that's formed. How much of that did I get? I'll weigh it on the balance or on the scales, get it as a gram value, and then I can either leave it in grams if my theoretical value is in grams as well, or I can convert it over to moles if my theoretical is in moles. So making sure I've got the same units. Whether or not it's grams or moles, it doesn't matter because it's the same compound. So the ratio would be the same. So the experimental mass and the theoretical mass times 100 would work out the percentage yield of that particular reaction. So how effective was that reaction? So thank you for watching this video. So that's a very short introduction into percentage yield.